How to sell on Displate 2023, make money with print on demand. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to use Displate for you to profit as well with using your arts. So Displate is actually a platform where it's one of a kind metal poster designed to capture your unique passions. This is created on a canvas where it's made of metal that's sturdy and magnet mounted, and it's durable enough to withstand lifetime and intense staring as well. Um, and the good thing here is that it's actually very clean look, and it also fits into your space depending on what art or what type of art you prefer. So they actually cover a lot of art styles here as well. So here, one of the informations that you can have here is that you can actually, when choosing a design, you have the option to modify the quality, like what type of texture the paint would be. You can definitely change or modify that here as well. So as you can see, the ratings and the satisfaction rate as well is quite high for this. And here is actually how you will be able to modify the product or the poster, where you can modify if it's glossy or matte finish, and then you can even have the option to add a frame, or you can just leave it as a no frame poster. And you can just click on shop now, and then here, if you want to become one of the artists as well, you can simply create your own account first. So you can, here, if you already have created your own account, you can log in using your email and the password you created. Or if you're a newcomer here, you need to click on the join as a customer and click on create a customer account. Once you click on it, you will be routed into this page where you just need to fill out the informations like your first name, or you can just input your nickname here. And putting your last name is optional. And then you input your email address and you create your own password. Here you just need to accept as well the terms and conditions, and then verify that you are not a robot. And then just click on create account, and you will after this you will be able to create your homepage here, where you can type in or choose the keywords that you want to have, or is the best designs that you want to incorporate into your homepage. Once done, you just click on next, and then click on explore Displate world, and here you will be able to view a lot of options or a lot of designs that you can look for. And if you want to create, or you want to be one of the creators of the artworks, you can click on your profile and go to my overview. Here you can customize your homepage, you can open this Displate shop, and or you can also buy the additional magnets as well. So here what you just need to do is click on learn more for you to become an artist here and start selling your art online. So what you need to do actually here is that you will be able to view how the process works. So when you sell your artwork, it's actually 50% commission. So Displate will get 50% of what the selling price of your design is. Here, so these are the benefits, or why, or the reasons why you should choose Displate, or why selling your art on Displate is a great idea. So here is the process as well. So all you need to do is log in and upload your artwork, and with regards packaging and customer service and the shipping as well, that will be done by the Displate for them to print out your metal posters. Here you can also browse into the Displate artist, look into their artworks. And here, the good thing as well on Displate is that they not only focus on art, but they also focus on saving the planet by, for every Displate you sell, they will be planting one tree. And here, so for you to join, you just need to click on submit your portfolio. When you click on it, you can have the option to use your Outlook account or Gmail, and then you will send your portfolio to the email address, and then Displate will review your portfolio, and you just need to wait for them until they will be able to, or they will be able to view and review your portfolio and allow you to join as an artist here on Displate. So sometimes here you actually, on the email that you will send, you can just paste or input the link that you have. For example, here on linktree.com, you can actually create your own bio or your art portfolio, where you can just modify and create your own portfolio here with all your artworks for Display to view it later on once you send an email with this link included already. So here you just need to create an account, then enter your password, or once done, hit on continue. And then after that, Linktree will be asking more about yourself, so you can input your name, and then they will also ask on what category best describes your Linktree, or what you offer, or what your portfolio is mainly about. Here, once done, you can just click on continue. And then here, as you can see, there are different plans that you can choose from to be able to create your own Linktree account. So you can have monthly or annual payment, but there's actually a free option here, or a free plan, where you just need to click on the free plan and then click on start or join for free on the bottom part. When you click on it, you will be routed into this page, and then you can go ahead and continue with your Linktree account. And then here is where you will be able to start creating your own portfolio. So you can add a header, you can input your details, you can even add a link as well. For example, you already have your Instagram account for all your artworks or designs, and then you can just input your Instagram link for that specific account. And then here, it's important for you to verify your email so that you will be able to go through with the process of creating your own Linktree account successfully. So you can look into your email and then just click on verify email, and then you just need to refresh the website. So there's a lot of options here. You can see that you can use your Twitter account, your TikTok, your OpenSea account. A lot of options. And if you want, or if you want to look for more, you can click on view all. Be take a while. Let me refresh my page. And here you can click on add a link. Then you can browse into different social accounts or platforms where you can showcase your portfolio. Here you have Pinterest, Spotify, YouTube, and a lot more. And once you have created your portfolio at Linktree, you can go ahead and paste it into the email and then send it into the email address for you to join in your journey as an artist at Displate. And that's basically how you sell on Displate and you can make profit from it. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.